So we're back with the K-swap Civic. I got all the accessories on it. I didn't film that. We'll be putting the engine in the engine bay. I've got some mounts on it already. It came to us like this. So now let's get started with our first test fit. So here's our motor mounts. We have Sport EK K-swap mounts. I'm going to take off some of the accessories like valve cover and turbo and stuff, just so it's easier and I don't scratch the powder coat. As you can tell, I'm having a little bit trouble with fitment, and I'll learn something very interesting pretty soon. So we got the engine sort of in the engine bay, and I'm having a problem with the transmission wanting to hit the subframe. Supposedly you can make this work, but we decided that we were going to lean towards something. So we're back with the EK. We decided on the EG subframe swap. I've already got the subframe. Got it. Repair's done. More repainted. So I'm going to start tearing it apart. These are Raceland coilovers. Here I'm disconnecting the steering joint. You do have to use the steering joint from an EG, which I accidentally left at the junkyard, so I'll have to get another one of those. But we've got some other Civic parts we're looking for. Always hunting for good Honda parts.
Yeah, we're soaring under the sun, feels like morning. Broken scars tell all our stories. Brady's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing. Freedom's call, no replacing. And the scars tell our story. Brady's part of the glory. Rolling fast, always chasing.
So I got all the bolts out of the subframe and have it lowered on the ground. And what you do is lift her up and out comes the subframe. Yep, we got her out. It appears that our control arms are basically the same. The rubber mount's a little different on the end. The knuckles, I'm going to take some measurements. The knuckles seem to be basically the same. Basically what you really need is the subframe and the rack. I'm going to go ahead and blast our other rack and get these bushings and bearings taken care of. So I've sandblasted and painted our subframe, went with a cool cast iron color.
Tape soles on worn out shoes. Broken boards, we paid our dues. Graffiti walls, they know our name. In this world, we're all the same. All high up off the ground. In the
need some of the longer bolts from the EG. Luckily, we got our subframe at a local pull part, so I kept all the bolts. We're installing our control arms. I decided to paint these black. I like the way the contrast looks. So for now, I'm reinstalling our Raceland coilovers. The customer did decide to opt for a BC Racing coilovers. A little more modern. These are more old school race. We're hoping for a little bit of a softer ride, but for now, I went ahead and threw those in because we're waiting on those to be ordered. Also, I'm going to put the old knuckles back on it, and I'm waiting on a weird bearing. So once I get those in, I have spare knuckles. Here I'm putting in the steering rack. It's quite a bit different, even the way it attaches. Okay, we're back with the EG cross member and steering rack. We got some of our suspension together. I'm waiting on ball joint tool and wheel bearings. But I should be able to go ahead and get the motor in it. So in our next video, we will be test fitting the motor, and I'll be learning some new things about motor mounts. Till then, like, comment, and subscribe for more content on this cool Civic.